Pipetting continued. Draining. Volumetric pipettes are generally calibrated and are designed to drain by gravity, after which a small amount of liquid will remain in the tip. This is normal and does not indicate incomplete draining. Blowing out this remaining liquid is incorrect and will cause a volume error. Pipette drying. A failure to wipe the outside of a pipette completely dry prior to dispensing its contents can cause higher than expected results. This is due to liquid clinging to the outside of the pipette, which then drops into the container. Drain time. Pipettes are calibrated to deliver their contents in a set time, usually in seconds. Not allowing a pipette to drain for at least its rated drainage time will cause low results, since not all of the sample will have been dispensed. Pipette bulb. Sucking the liquid up too far can damage pipette bulbs and contaminate a sample. Results can be compromised if the sample is contaminated by contact with the pipette bulb. Quantitative transfer of materials continued. Size mismatch. When transferring materials or liquids, only use vessels of a similar size. For example, do not transfer material from a 1-liter beaker into a 100 milliliter volumetric flask due to a high risk of spillage. A funnel should be used to aid the transfer. Undissolved samples. All solid samples should be dissolved before transferring to another container. Samples not completely dissolved or mixed prior to transfer to another container may cause a loss of sample or low results due to undissolved material. Stirring bars. All stirring bars should be rinsed into the original flask. Low results could be obtained due to sample material that remains on the surface of the stirring bar.